Okay.
Hi, I'm Jay from the Flutter Community Team.
And I'm Frederik from Flutter Community Team.
Exactly.
Like, is it that?
Yeah,
I can
you
call
are.
myself
Yeah, you are.
part of the community.
To
Okay.
me, you are. Yeah, we're still, welcome to the Flutter Coffee Table. We're still at DroidCon Day 2. Yeah, and I got Frederik here with me. And yeah, we'd like to have a little talk. So yeah, why don't you introduce yourself a little bit more deeply?
Yeah. So yeah, my name is Frederik. Who guessed that? I've been an Android developer for the last 6 years actually, and since year. So basically the 6 years before last year. Yeah, I've been a full-time Flutter freelancer because 2 years ago a friend of mine, actually Pascal Welsh, just got me into Flutter, showed it to me, and yeah, at first I was a bit skeptical, you know, about cross-platform, multi-platform frameworks because we know what has been there. But then I just tried it, and at some point it got me hooked, and you know, was sitting there building apps, and finally met you guys and the community, right?
And the rest is history.
Yeah,
Okay,
more or less.
You're right. So what have you been doing recently in the Flutter world?
Yeah, I mean, we have been organizing the hackathon, the Hack 19. That was, I think, our biggest event. But before that, yeah, it was crazy. But before that, yeah, I started like organizing at the end of last year, like 2018. I started organizing the Flutter School actually with a friend of mine, where we tried to bring together developers and designers, because I think, yeah, since Flutter is a UI framework, and I really think that you can like go the extra mile with Flutter, like with animations and basically in every aspect that depends on the UI. Yeah, we thought we'd just create a meetup and yeah, call it the Flutter School. So basically all people can come there, not only developers, but designers, also entrepreneurs, and maybe find other people there to start their project. And this is all something I'm, yeah, organizing. Yeah.
Cool. Awesome. Yeah, it's cool to hear that it's not just like another typical developer meetup, and they're fine and very important. But it's nice to see that you know, you're mixing these different disciplines, basically, and
yeah,
bringing them together.
That's cool. Yeah.
Yeah, awesome. And so yeah, Hack 19 was a lot of fun. In what parts did you have a hand there?
Actually, we had the initial idea that came up actually at Flutter Live, like in December. I was talking to Nile and I said like, okay, we could just like basically do this Hack 19 idea, like an international hackathon. I think that would be a cool idea to do that. And she was like, yeah, just do it. I was like,
go ahead.
Okay. Who can I ask, like from the community, and actually start the thing? And then I forgot a bit about it, but then I just set up a call inside the Flutter study group and asked some people actually who want to join, like, and organize the thing, and we got like 10 replies. And the first video call, I think in January or February this year, and from there on, like, yeah, we just have had like weekly or monthly calls, depending on the time. Like, and recently we're just like meeting like nearly every day, trying to coordinating this event, and yeah, then it happened. But I also like it's. I mean, like, yeah, maybe I had the initial idea, but to be honest, there were so many people involved. Like also you were sitting, yeah, we're working on the live stream and stuff, and I think it's just great. I think it's just like a great example to show how awesome the community is and how well it works. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. That working together. I have to say, like, me jumping into the live stream here and there to just see what's going on and seeing all these people work, like on the Zoom chat, like the overview. That was my personal, one of my favorite parts. Next to you having technical difficulties and stepping in to save the day.
Yeah.
Try to find that part.
Yeah, I have to say to that, I was like, well, no, it was a long day, right?
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
I mean, I was organizing a Hack 19 event by myself. And unfortunately, my co-founder sounds so official, as a co-organizer of the Flutter School, he didn't have time actually to show up at this day, but it was clear a long time before. So I did it myself, and then I just came home at 7 p.m. or something, and yeah, it was Mark and Ash from the Flutter community, and they were telling me, yeah, someone unfortunately didn't have time or wasn't able to work in their slot basically, And they're like, yeah, can you jump on and help us with the live stream? And then I just started and I sat there and we managed the live stream for 3-4 hours. And then we just, like, in the meantime, started discussing, like, we're getting so tired.
Yeah.
And then Nash was like, yeah, what should we do? Like, I don't know. And then we started talking like this about this and that and started bullshitting and I don't know. And then she's like, man, I can just like put your life. And I was like, no, it's not a good idea. And this is actually how the whole thing happened.
and then there were actual technical difficulties. And then it was like,
yeah,
first thing you could think of.
Yeah. So yeah, that's the whole story behind it.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, amazing. Yeah. I love that. Once the video is out, please check it out. Okay, cool. And anything you like? What will your future look like? Maybe just in Flutter, but also just in general as developer.
Yeah, actually, I don't really know. Like, I mean, there's so many cool opportunities and so many cool projects people approach me about and talk to me. I mean, right now I work as a freelancer to earn my living. But besides that, there's like stuff in the Flutter community. Sometimes you publish just like the proof of concept. I also did this reply thing, the material design challenge and stuff. And you work on stuff like that just because, for fun, right? Because you want to have a proof of concept that there is something doable in Flutter to show the people how amazing this platform actually is. But on the other hand side, like also side projects, working on like a small app or maybe doing something for the community again. And yeah, right now I'm actually just overwhelmed from the positive response from the community, and I also have to think about it. So I just like let it go, you know, and see what happens next, you know. Right. So I'm super relaxed right now.
Cool. Happy where you are. Keep going.
Yeah. Awesome. Just go with the flow, you know.
Exactly.
That's
awesome.
the thing.
Well, hey, thank you for being here, man.
Thank you, Jay, man.
Thank you for watching. You can click around here to see more of the Flutter Community YouTube channel, and we'll see you another time. Great talk, man. Yeah. Thanks.
Cool. It was nice talking to you.
Good times, good times, good times, good times, good times, good times.